Well, hello everybody. Welcome to a Juiced Rite. We're actually going to make a quick juice recipe: carrot, apple, ginger. It's like my favorite. We make it all the time. It kind of demonstrates it's a hard recipe that demonstrates our ability to use the pulping blade. And so the pulping blade's the one that's looks like a hard cheese, the hard cheese side of a four-way shredder or a cheese shredder. It does a really good job of just tearing down the hard produce. Does not clog up with ginger. That's one of the components in our recipe, but that's what we're going to do. Pretty much we're all set up. We made a couple other videos going through setting up of the M75R5 machine that we have here. We did another video of basic operations of the control panel, and now we're just going to make some juice. And when I start that, I'm just going to zip it, and we're going to make some juice. After I turn it off, we'll look at how much juice we made and that. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So we're actually going to juice right into the juice collection pan. We do not have the valve installed because we're going straight into a Cambro with a conical strainer on top to catch the bits. And so we have our produce pusher here, a little spoon for leveling. We've already, like I said, installed the bag and the skirt. We have, 13 pounds of produce plus a couple of gingers, and we're gonna squeeze that into the bag. We're using the pulping blade at a fast speed. I'm actually gonna press at a slow speed because the pulping blade makes very fine fibers, lets a ton of the juice out, but because it's kind of silky, it has a tendency to rise a lot. So we're gonna turn it all the way down and run it at the slow speed and see what we get. Okay, awesome. So see you after I make a bunch of noise. All right. So I'm going to bounce the product so it's kind of even across both sides. It primarily shreds when it shreds on the left-hand side. So a little bounce back and forth will kind of like level the whole entire thing and set it up for an even press. Like I said, we're going to turn the press all the way down to its lowest setting. And we're going to let her run. And here she goes. This is the first time this one's made juice. And there we go though. It's raining carrots. Yeah, I think you saw me swiping down the thing. Sometimes when you have the produce will actually kind of push themselves up into the tube, and you can actually you can grab some of that and push it back down and towards the blade, and it'll pull it down into the bag. but not much ended up inside here. So there's our first backup right there. It'll actually let the liquid that's in the center of the product re-wick to the outside. It comes out, backs up for about 10 seconds, and then comes back on the press again and gives us a bit of juice production again. And it'll do that one more time. All right. Actually, since we were on slow speed, it did it the first time in our first press, or did it? Is it on second press now? Oh yeah, no, it's pressing. We did catch the second, or the first and second pulse. Then on third, it just parks in that position. It stays there while until you ask it to back up. During this time, you don't actually have to babysit the machine. You can do whatever you want in the kitchen, stuff like that, and let it do what it's going to do. We still have pretty good juice production. Like I said, you'd be measuring out your products and everything for the next batch, and that'd be good to go. All right. And we open it up, turn it up to high speed again. And off, and that is a juice production. I waved off my camera person because we're gonna do it. I wanted to show you, that is, like I said, about 13 pounds of produce. We got about a gallon, what we'd expect out of that. Alrighty, happy juicing. We're gonna taste this and enjoy cleaning this machine. All right, thanks for being here.